Okay, that's it. Okay, get one item at a time. Fill it and describe it. Okay, just choose
This
one.
is hard.
Okay, describe. Please describe.
This
Don't
is-
pull it out yet.
This is hard.
Hard, and then
And it's kind of cylinder.
it's hard, and it's kind of cylinder. And what else?
And it's round.
Okay.
It's round. And I think it can stand. And it's wooden.
Let's put them. Could that
What
be?
could this be? A stick?
Stick. What else? Okay, are you sure?
Yes, I
Fill it
think
up.
it's
Okay. Okay, fill it.
or a food coloring one.
Okay.
It's a crayon.
It's a crayon. It's hard, yes. It's kind of cylinder. And it's a
How did I
crayon.
not think of that?
It's okay. Just put it here. Arrange it there. Okay, now choose one. Look away.
I was thinking about the lollipop.
Opo. Now look
No.
away. Now look away and choose another item.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah. Hey, another
fill it, fill it.
Another round cylinder,
Okay.
pointy, just like that crayon. What
Okay.
could it
Is it
be?
that
Another
is that a
crayon?
crayon too?
Yeah, I think it's another crayon. It is another crayon.
Okay. Oh, don't.
Why is this many crayons?
It's okay. Let's find out how many and what are inside your bag. Okay, come on.
Okay,
Get
another
one.
one. What's that?
Okay. Feel it, touch,
Aha.
feel, and describe it. Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet. Close your eyes. Just feel it yet. Don't pull out until you guess.
Yeah, it's kind of spoony.
It's kind of what do you think that is?
I think it's a spoon.
A spoon. Why did you think of that?
Because it's kind of a round thing, kind of like an upside down dome.
And then
And then there's a kind of flat
describe the texture.
here, and it's smooth and it sounds like metal.
Okay. So can you get? Okay, you're right. It's a spoon. Okay, put it in the tray. Put it on the tray.
I
And then don't look. Look
It's
away, please.
spoon.
Don't pull it out. Just touch one and describe it.
Bugs. I mean,
Don't look.
You know what this is? It's a little bit, it's a rough and it has stem, a leaf.
It's a leaf. It's what? Again, describe it again, please.
It's kind of rough and it has some veins and that kind of stem. So I think it's gonna be a leaf.
Okay.
Well,
Okay, correct.
I can microscope this.
Okay, later. You use your microscope for that one later. Okay. Okay, just touch and feel and describe. Don't pull it out.
Wow. This is a cotton thing.
Okay, describe it. Why do you say it's
It's
cotton?
rough. Like I think I caught I felt a big leaf, but it's too big for a big leaf, so I think it's
Just
cotton.
touch just one item. Okay, and then describe it before you pull it out. Describe.
It's kind of rough,
Rough and
and I think I crumpled it.
is it hard, soft?
It's tough.
It's soft. Okay. You think it's a cotton? Let's see.
Ball.
Oh,
Cotton
cotton ball.
ball.
Okay, let's see.
It's
Oh.
not a cotton ball.
It's not a cotton ball. It's a
It's a tissue.
yes. It's a tissue paper.
Yeah, I didn't think of that.
Oh, but you're right that it's soft, but not a cotton ball. Okay. Next.
Cotton
Okay.
ball.
Get one. Arrange it.
Is this a malunggay leaf?
No, it's not. Later. I'll
Too
tell.
small for malunggay.
Okay, that one.
I-
Okay, don't look. Don't
Aha!
look.
Cotton ball, I think.
Why do you say it's a cotton ball? Please describe.
Now it's round.
It's round.
It's round, it's soft, just like this one. And
Okay.
it's kind of more soft.
It's softer than the tissue. Okay, get it?
Hi, yeah,
correct.
cotton ball.
Okay, can you please arrange your
Fluffy.
things? Okay.
No.
You put it there. Okay, next. Next. Okay, don't look.
A comb.
Why do you say it's a comb? Please describe it.
Because it has pointy edges just like my other one.
Okay, what else? Describe the texture. And
It's smooth, but here it has pointy.
oh, it has pointy parts.
Yes.
Is it hard or soft?
It's no, it's hard.
It's hard. Okay, that's a.
Oh, my
Are you sure?
favorite.
Yes, it's a comb. Okay.
That's mine.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Put it there.
That's my
Please
comb.
arrange your things. Okay. Okay. Next. Next. Okay. Just guess first. Just
Hey,
describe.
another crayon, I think.
Just go blue. Okay. Please describe.
It's hard.
It's hard.
Hard, kind of pointy, just like the crayon. I think it's another crayon
Okay, go.
again.
Okay. Go.
Why did you put such a lot of crayons?
Okay. That's correct. And you put
Ah.
it. You arrange it, please. Next one. That one. What is that?
A leaf.
Okay. Is that one leaf?
Many leaves.
Louder?
Many leaves.
Many leaves. Okay. Why do you say it's a leaf? Why do you say
Because
these are leaves?
I'm not just any kind of leaf. I know what these are. Malunggay leaves.
Okay. Let's see. Get it? Those are not malunggay
Huh?
leaves, but ferns.
Fern.
The one we have there
First.
on the wall.
No, I also like shape of the furs.
A fern. Yes.
Fern.
But it's kind of like a malunggay.
Yeah, kind of like
Okay.
a malunggay one.
Okay, come on. Put it there. Okay,
Another leaf I can make a school.
Please.
Okay.
Okay, don't look. Get one. Describe.
Hey! Stones?
Stones? Why do you say those are stones?
They're super hard.
They're hard. What else?
Even when I try to press them hard, they still form.
Ah, it's still solid.
Yeah.
Okay, those are. What do you think those are?
Rocks. So, rocks, not maybe rocks, like pebbles.
Pebbles. Okay, can you pick those out?
I'll pick those
Yeah.
out. Ah.
Okay, yes,
Pebble.
pebble. Okay, put it there. No, don't
Makakakyan
move.
ako dyan.
Okay, please put it
Yeah.
back. Put it on your tray.
Too
We
small
still
for
have.
kakakyan.
We still have something inside. Okay. We still have. Okay, what's there? Don't look. Don't pull it out until you describe and guess it. Don't pull it out
Here,
yet.
20 peso coin.
What do you
Another
think that
rock.
is? What do you think that is? Just get one first.
Another rock.
Another rock. Why do you say that's a rock? Please describe.
Because when I press it hard, it's still solid again, and it's in a weird shape. So that's why I think it's a rock.
Okay, get it? Just get it. Just don't look, please. Okay, so another pebble.
Maybe purple.
Okay.
This time a white.
A white one.
No, gray one.
Okay, come on. Okay.
This shape
Don't
of
look,
mountain
please. Don't look, please. Okay, search for the bag. If you can touch anything there.
Another leaf.
Another leaf. Okay, why do you think that's a leaf too?
Because it has a stem and hard weight. Stem and hard, I know that. It's a, what kind of,
Do you think it's
cabbage.
Are you sure it's a cabbage? Okay, put it out. Just that one. Okay, don't look. Okay, that's another leaf.
It's not a cabbage leaf.
No, it's not a
Doesn't
cabbage
look
leaf.
like cabbage
Some
leaf.
ornamental plants we have outside.
What's
Okay,
an ornamental plant?
Okay. Next, I'll tell you later. Next one.
Next one. Are you sure we still have things in this bag?
Yes, just search for the
Another
bag.
cotton ball.
Okay, why do you think that's a cotton ball?
Because it's just like this one when I feel it.
When you felt it, when you touched it.
Yes.
Okay, put it there. Okay, you're right. Okay, put it
Merging
down.
cotton balls.
Okay, come on, come on. Put it down, put it
We call
down.
it merging cotton balls.
Okay, next. The other, okay. Search
no,
for more.
no.
Why do you think it's a coin? Please describe.
Because it's a perfect circle.
It's a perfect circle and
it's kind of a little rough.
it's rough and what else?
And kind of
Is it soft? Is it hard?
metal.
It's kind of metal. And then
Yes.
what else? Is it soft or hard?
It's hard.
It's hard. Okay, get it? Don't look, please.
Coin.
Okay.
Coin.
You put it there first, please. Thank
Oh wait,
you.
this can't fit into my
Okay,
coin
next.
bank.
Next. Still have things there left. Okay. Please talk. Please.
Everywhere. Another pebble.
Okay. Get
Just
it?
like this one.
Okay, get it out, please. Yeah.
Look,
Okay.
see another
Next, do you still have
white
anything
one.
left? Don't look, please. I'll search for the entire bag.
Another crayon.
Another crayon. Take it out. Okay, good. Don't look, please.
Another coin.
Okay, I'll show you that's a coin.
Because it's metal again.
Okay, go, go, go. Okay, right? Correct.
1 pesos, we can't fit into my coin bank.
Okay. Still have anything left inside the bag?
Nope, I think.
Okay, nothing else?
Nothing else.
Nothing left?
Yeah, just which.
Okay. Okay, can you open the bag, entire bag? See? Go open it. Unzip it entirely.
Yeah,
Unzip it entirely, please.
there's one left.
Oh, so there's nothing left. Can you arrange the things you found inside the bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay. These
Arrange
are
them.
the coins. These are the leaves.
Okay.
These are the crayons.
Okay, arrange it
These are
properly.
the pebbles. These are the cotton balls, and this is the tissue.
Okay, can you arrange it properly? Line them. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. You stack the coins. That's correct. Just put it nicely. Okay, next. That's enough. Okay. Go ahead, arrange.
Coins.
Fix your spoon, please. Okay. Good.
There we go.
Okay. Okay, good job. Okay, hands on you.